Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the pound yen definitely did drift up pretty good after the FOMC last night. Now, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down because this move up very easily could be a correction to this last move down. Now, if it just bounces from a fib level and then goes and bounces and goes and bounces and goes, then there's no reason whatsoever to go short. Instead, you would just be looking for logs at the end of every pullback you see. But on the other hand, if it hits one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, makes kind of like a double top and then goes down and gives you a break of structure with a nice engulfing move to the downside at any one of these fib levels, then you would definitely stop looking for logs and you would definitely switch back to shorts. Now, it's hard to know whether for sure. Like I was saying the last couple of days, I think that this right here is potentially a wave C on the higher time frames. If that's a wave C, then this potentially would be a wave 1 or wave 2, and it would likely go down for a wave 3. So keep an eye on your fib levels. But like I said, if it doesn't if it continues to make higher highs, higher lows, then there's no reason to go short. If it makes a double top breaker structure engulfing down at a fib level, then there definitely is a reason to go short. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.